Today's topic is very, very interesting. Personally, one of my favorite space to improvise and to have fun. So, a very, very important thing that a lot of beginners tend to bypass or ignore subconsciously is that the main volume of your acoustic guitar comes from your strumming hand. So that's responsible for the output of the chord. So if you strum hard, it's going to start jarring. If you strum soft, probably if your fretting hand is not in place, it might sound a little muted. So first and foremost, you have to be very careful with the clarity of the chord. And then once you are sure that the clarity is 100%, that's when you start working on dynamics or controlling volume from your strumming hand. So to demonstrate that, let's quickly get a hang of the C chord. In case this is your first video, we have a bunch of other videos where we're explaining all the chords. You can find them in the description below. So for now, let's take the C major chord. So kindly observe my strumming hand. It won't move much, but the strength is what makes the volume. It projects the volume upwards and downwards. So check it out. Makes it a lot more interesting. So what I'm doing is I'm just gradually increasing the strength from my strumming hand. You don't have to move your hands extremely wide or hit it harder than expected. It has to be absolutely in full control, and I'm sure, as and when you start trying this, your ears will be able to be the best judge, and it'll tell you, it'll guide you on how much strength to put in or not. So that's one of the most convenient ways to start off with and to color your chord progression. So rather than just going by the drill and getting bored and just by playing, you don't want to do that. Just make sure you make your practice interesting by yourself and apply these small techniques and dynamics to make it sound better. So let's take a small chord switch between A to D and apply this technique. Here we go. Gradually increasing. Now loud, softer, back. It does have a great impact and resonance, while you're listening and playing. In fact, as and when you start recording it, even on your mobile phones, you can hear the volume increase and decrease, and that's a great area to explore, especially as a beginner. And I'm sure once you get a hang of this, you'll have a lot of fun. Try this on all your chords. And in case if you have enjoyed this small technique, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that we will have a lot more videos like this for you all. You can come back here for your weekly dose and keep strumming.